In front of me is BLACKVIEW A60 Pro, and let me show you how to turn on or off touch sounds on the following device. So first of all, just take a look. Right now you can hear each of my clicks, so now it is active. If you would like to change it, if you would like to deactivate it, you have to open the settings, then find and select sound right here, scroll down and open advanced, and here you will notice touch sounds, so smoothly unmark it, and here you've got everything. So that's it. As you can hear, actually you can't hear any sound because we've just deactivated the touch sounds. And that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.